Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're reviewing two amazing kitchen appliances that can help you cook healthier and tastier meals. We have the Ninja Foodi Deluxe pressure cooker and air fryer on the left and the Chefman multifunctional air fryer on the right. Make sure to like this video, comment down below which product you prefer, and subscribe to our channel for more reviews and tips. Both appliances are well built with a sleek design. The Ninja Foodi Deluxe is larger and heavier, while the Chefman air fryer is more compact and portable. The Ninja Foodi Deluxe comes with two lids, while the Chefman air fryer has a clear glass door to monitor your food while cooking. The Ninja Foodi Deluxe has an 8-quart pot and a 5-quart basket that can fit a 7lb chicken, making it great for larger families or batch cooking. The Chefman air fryer has a 10-liter capacity, which is perfect for cooking for a small family or meal prepping. The Ninja Foodi Deluxe offers 12 programmable cooking functions, including sous vide and dehydrate, while the Chefman air fryer has 17 preset options such as roast and dehydrate. However, the Ninja Foodi Deluxe has an advantage in versatility with more cooking variations. Both appliances cook food using rapid air heating elements, which is faster than traditional ovens. The Ninja Foodi Deluxe's Tender Crisp technology quickly pressure cooks ingredients and then air fries them to perfection. The Chefman air fryer requires no preheat and cooks food evenly and quickly. Both appliances are easy to clean, with dishwasher-safe parts and removable drip trays. However, the Chefman air fryer has a removable glass door that makes cleaning even more convenient. The Ninja Foodi Deluxe is priced at $249, while the Chefman air fryer is priced at $139, making it a more affordable option. However, the Ninja Foodi Deluxe's added pressure cooking and sous vide functions may justify the higher price point. That wraps up our review of these two amazing kitchen appliances. We hope this video helps you make a decision on the best product for your cooking needs. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and cooking tips.